The Jammu and Kashmir administration on Sunday night restored high-speed mobile internet services on a trial basis in Ganderbal and Udhampur district, one each in Kashmir and Jammu divisions, over a year after the facility was suspended. The resumption of 4G internet services on mobile devices came days after the centre had informed the Supreme Court that a special committee looking into the matter was considering allowing the facility on a trial basis in 2 of the 20 districts of the Union Territory. The order issued by Principal Secretary Shalin Kabra said that the direction would be effective from 9 pm on Sunday and will remain in force till September 8 unless modified earlier. The order said that high-speed internet will be provided to post-paid subscribers while prepaid customers would be able to enjoy the benefit of these services only after completing the verification process. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has accepted one of former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot's main demands of removing Avinash Pandey, the General Secretary in charge of the state. The move had been critical of Pilot, ending a weeks-long revolt that pushed the state government to the brink. Team Pilot had alleged that Avinash Pandey was too close to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and had not given a fair hearing to his side. His removal was strongly demanded by the camp apart from the leadership change in the state and adequate portfolios for ministers loyal to Pilot. With Avinash Pandey's removal and Ajay Makan's appointment as the new General Secretary in charge of Rajasthan, the stage is set for the new committee to look into Sachin Pilot's issues and concerns. Sonia Gandhi's confidant Ahmed Patel and K.C. Venugopal are the other members who will try and sort out the problems Sachin Pilot faces with Ashok Gehlot. Sachin Pilot welcomed the move on Twitter, saying that congratulations to Ajay Makan on being appointed as the General Secretary in charge of Rajasthan. He further said that your appointment will definitely boost the hopes of Rajasthan Congress workers. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot also congratulated Ajay Makan on Twitter. India has logged over 50,000 deaths linked to coronavirus since the beginning of the pandemic, the Union Health Ministry said this morning. The country's COVID tally crossed the 26 lakh mark today with about 58,000 fresh infections and 941 deaths registered in the last 24 hours. The third worst hit country by the pandemic, India has been reporting the highest number of daily cases across the world for the last 13 days, surpassing the United States and Brazil that have a higher caseload according to the data shared by WHO. Last week, India overtook Britain as the country that has recorded world's fourth highest number of COVID-linked deaths, behind the United States, Brazil and Mexico. About 19.19 lakh coronavirus patients have recovered in the country so far. The recovery rate has now stood at 72.51% this morning. More than 3 crore samples have also been tested so far. The government data shows the country has an estimated population of about 130 crore and a patient can be tested more than once until recovery. About 7.31 lakh samples were tested yesterday alone. Facebook enforces policies on hate speech without regard to anyone's political position or party affiliation, the company said amid a controversy over US media report claiming that the social media giant ignored hate speech and objectionable content from leaders and workers of the ruling BJP. Facebook spokesperson said that we prohibit hate speech and content that incites violence and we enforce these policies globally without regard to anyone's political position or any party affiliation. While we know there is more to do, we are making progress on enforcement and conduct regular audits of our process to ensure fairness and accuracy. Meena Harris, the niece of Democratic Vice Presidential nominee Kamala Harris, on Sunday shared a photo of a poster that has come up in Tamil Nadu featuring the California senator calling her victorious. Meena, who is a 35-year-old lawyer based in California, tweeted to say that the photo of the poster was sent to her from Tamil Nadu. The poster has photos of Harris with a text in Tamilian script, P.V. Gopalan's granddaughter is victorious. The poster cropped up days after Kamala Harris was picked up by Joe Biden, the presumptive Democratic presidential nominee, as his running mate in the US election. Born to a Jamaican father and an Indian mother, California Senator Harris, if elected, would be the first woman vice president ever for the country.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.